my YouTube channel, guys. How are you? I hope you're fine and good now. Like the tap joy on WoW app latest like the game available now. The playing slots of the Vigors like the 269 coins this game available now, and I will be checking now like the 60 levels you will be completed. And guys, I will be asking to you how to be complete to be this game 60 levels. They all of everything more easily now. Only explain you all about this everything, just only watching completely my video, then you will be easily understand how to be complete to be this game. So never be skipping this video, and I will be completely guide to you and helping to you how to be complete to be 60 levels on this game. And before, listen me, your internet to be before active now, because if you not to be active like your internet, then you will be never receiving your rewards. This is the big talk to you, and I hope you will be saving my talks on your mind. So let's start this video. Okay guys, lots of the Vegas. I already be download this game, and I will be completely guide to you, because though they all of everything more easily, not to be anything hard, just to be completely watching this video. Guys, this is the everything more easily, not to be anything hard to be. I will be give you like the best and best fish bango bird. This time I will be playing this game, and before they download. So guys, when you will be starting this game, and you will be like the your beats like the simply using not to be much hard, because sometimes people not to be know about these options how to be complete to be these games. Okay, oh thank you so much. This is the everything more easily, not to be anything hard, because sometimes people not to be understand how to be complete to be these games, and I will be completely guide to you. Okay, we're using all this ultras. मैं मांगा लेबा. Okay guys, they all of this is the everything, because I will be playing now to be using like the little speeds like your this is my first levels, but I will be asking you, you will be easily complete to be this game just only using little bits when you will be starting this game, because sometimes people coming on this game and they're using like the much more like the bits, then he now to be easily complete on they like the your queens like be lost now. Okay, okay, second level starting now. they own of everything easily now be just only using like your little bits not to be much. I will be saving my coins because I need. Yeah, it's just I will be playing for your game and I give you strategy and advice how to be complete to be these games. Because some of people sometimes not to be understand and he like be comments me on little of beds, then I will be explain you all about it. They understand now what I am asking on my video. Thank you so much for you watching my video guys. Love you and love you more than. Thank you so much.